In this video, we will explore how maintenance and facilities leaders use AI and IoT-powered Zapium CMMS to reduce downtime and maintenance costs and run their maintenance operations seamlessly. Upon login, you get details on key KPIs related to your operations, such as down assets, costs, and activity trends. Operational cost insights with cost heads like product and parts, labor costs, etc. Maintenance requests and associated stats like average response time, etc., and various other KPIs related to assets, inventory, etc. In asset management, you can access all your assets, integrate IoT to pull sensor data, view asset reliability data and KPIs, and access cost-related insights. In reliability, you can calculate MTTR, MTBF, total downtime by time, frequency, etc., to assess maintenance efficiency and asset uptime. Reliability section also provides details of critical assets that are down but not yet under maintenance and the assets that are down and under maintenance. Now, let's explore how an asset page looks like and what all actions can be taken there. From the Asset Details page, apart from accessing basic information, you may generate QR code, create work activities like PM schedule, change asset statuses, review asset-specific dashboard, and access all the logs. In meters, you can set up new meters and their specifics. Meter readings can be taken automatically if the asset sensor data is pulled into the system or can be taken manually. Under the schedule, you can access the team schedule using either a calendar-based scheduler or an AI-powered dispatcher. Click Team Calendar to see the maintenance team's schedule and assignments. From here, you can see your team's schedule, drag and drop to reassign or reschedule work orders, preventive maintenance, etc., and can also create new work activities. Dispatcher is designed for bigger teams who work with big maintenance teams and spend a lot of time in managing scheduling processes. Dispatcher provides more advanced options and uses a couple of parameters and an algorithm to manage the scheduling process. You can use Gantt or Map Veto, visualize the information. From the menu, click Service Work to access work activities like maintenance requests, work orders, preventive maintenance, etc. The ticket section collects all the maintenance requests via various channels like email, QR codes, manual, etc., and helps you take the next level of action on them. Next, you can create, schedule, assign, and manage work orders from here. You can import and export data, filter data on various parameters, and also access work order-related key KPIs directly from here. Click Add New to create a new work order for maintenance tasks. Fill in the basic details like location, asset, etc. from the top. Select the work order category from the drop-down to have the system automatically assign the attached procedure or checklist. Plan the schedule and assignment, and then click Add to finish creating this work order. For ease of use, preventive maintenance has been kept as a separate menu item. You can create recurring or one-off preventive maintenance plans in similar way as we did in work order. PM failed items are the checks that fail during inspection or preventive maintenance. From here, you can take next level of action on them. The inventory module in Zapium is loved by its customers for its comprehensiveness. Apart from setting up products and parts and keeping track of minimum order quantity, etc., you can manage stock intake, transfer from one location to others, and stock allocation to employees for work. If you click on any product, it will show basic details such as available, allocated, and in-transit stock. Zapium offers advanced inventory reporting. Under the Purchase section of the menu, you can manage purchase requests and purchase orders. Purchase requests can be initiated with all the details, and you can also set up approval workflows. From purchase orders, you can create and manage purchase orders across all locations. Click Vendors to oversee supplier and contractor details. Report section provides over 250 pre-built maintenance and operational reports and key KPIs and dashboards. You can generate various types of work orders, reports to analyze work order performance and history from here. Similarly, you can access asset reports to review asset-related data and metrics. Then, the purchase orders module's reports are used to assess purchasing activities and trends. From the menu, you can also access work logs and time cards. Click Work Activity Time Cards to monitor employee work hours and activities. You can get specifics of which employee worked, how many hours, the time spent on each work order or PM, and other details. The user view focuses on individual user-related data. The system also provides quick access to your and the team's schedules from the Activities option in the menu. From here, you can review the day's activities, overdue work, team members who are unavailable, and other details. And get a quick summary of the work. This helps you get all the critical info right here instead of juggling between various modules. System comes with enterprise-grade settings where you can set up roles and permissions, do AI-powered checklist and procedure generation, and manage integrations. This was a quick overview of Zapium CMMS. For a detailed walkthrough of AI and IoT capabilities and other features, feel free to schedule a walkthrough from the website or drop us a message to hello@zapium.com.